Hi, welcome back to my channel, Storybook Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet on the opposite side of the chain. So that's what this will look like. This is something you will see in many amigurumi patterns and can be a bit confusing if you're a beginner. I use this process in a couple of my patterns, and it is the #1 question that I get from people who purchase a pattern from me. My most popular pattern is the Nile Crocodile, and crocheting on the opposite side of the chain is how you get started with that pattern, and I get a lot of messages on how to do this, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video for you guys and show you exactly how to do that process. Watch to the end of the video and I will give you a 50% off code for that pattern. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new free patterns the moment that they are up. So grab a hook and some yarn and we will get started. Alright, so let's get started. You can grab your yarn and any size hook will work just to practice this. So the first thing that we do when we start to work on the opposite side of the chain is just to make our chain, and each pattern is going to have a different amount for that. So just to practice here, we're going to chain 8. Okay, so we have our chain 8 and we're going to start off just like normal. We're just going to single crochet across our row. So starting in this second chain from our hook, we're just going to make our single crochets. So go ahead and make 6 single crochets across the top of your chain. Okay, so we've made our 6 single crochet. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to work in this last chain. So in your pattern you'll see to put so many stitches in the last chain, and that's what that means. So we're going to go ahead and just put 4 single crochets all in this last chain. Okay, so once you've made those 4, you can see that your work is upside down now. And what it means to work on the opposite side of the chain is now to work along the bottom of that original chain that you made. So we're working basically upside down, and this is going to make an oval shape, and that is why you see this a lot in the amigurumis, to kind of make that shape instead of just your basic circle shape if you want something more elongated. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to single crochet along the bottom upside down in the next 5 stitches. And as you do this tail right here, you can crochet around that, and that will actually weave that in for you. So if you keep it held up there and put your hook through your stitch and under that tail and then crochet around it. Then at the end all you have to do is cut that off. So go ahead and make your 5 single crochets along the bottom. Okay, so we have 1 chain left here, and most usually you'll see an increase in that last chain there. So you're going to put 2 single crochets in that last. Okay, so that makes kind of our elongated shape or oval shape. Now some patterns will have you slip stitch to that first single crochet you made at the very beginning, like so, and that kind of closes off that oval. But some of them you'll just keep working in the round. You'll just make your next stitch into that one. So that is how you work on the opposite side of the chain, and this is similar to what that will look like depending on whatever pattern that you are working on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I will see you in the next video.